Hello everybody, hope you all had a good Christmas. First video of 2019, and it's going to be an update. Just before Christmas, had a parcel arrived. I was expecting it, he did tell me it was coming, from my mate Ian Matthews. Check out his channel, I will post a link below. Got my longer waited for stickers. There's new channel ones. Try and do that without the light shining on it. There we go. Couple of smaller ones. Get one up here in a minute. This one's still my favourite. The Darth Vader one. I'm going to put that on my toolbox though. Get one of these on the board. Nice one, Ian. Found your place on my gallery. The box is full of goodies, absolutely full of goodies. Reason why he sent it me, I saw these in one of his videos. Ian has a collection of all sorts of bits and pieces. These, when they came up while he was showing something else, just really sparked with me because I needed a washer that big. And Ian has sent me 4 of them. You can see that very well. One is already earmarked for a project that's half completed already. It's just saved me a lot of legwork trying to get hold of one. Also in the box, bloody cracking set of HSS drills, and I love my drills, ideal for my drill press. Cutting discs, always handy. They'll go well with my selection. Walk-it discs, and some of these beauties. Flat discs. Most of these are part used flat discs, but no good in their environment, but fantastic in mine. A little clean up on these and they're back to normal for me. Discs, and absolutely loads of part used flat discs. They'll keep me going forever. Ian, thank you very much, it's really appreciated. Good health to you, mate, and a happy and prosperous 2019. I also had some more sticker swaps. Benchmark also sent me a sticker, which I'm going to pop up when I won their Flat Disc Friday. Go and check out them on Instagram and get yourself in for Flat Disc Friday. Also had another sticker swap from Phil over at Makes and Takes. Thank you very much. Nice little note with it as well. Appreciate your support, mate. And stickers, can't go wrong with. Let's find you a nice place on the gallery. There we go. Also, a big thanks to Claire Mason, Making It Out of the Woods channel. She also sent me a little Foxy workshop helper. He's currently on my desk in the back room. I've epoxied a magnet onto the back of him so that he can sit around in here as well and supervise what's going on. Nice one, thank you very much, Claire. If you haven't checked out Claire's channel, I'll post a link to that one as well. Go over, check it out. She's currently trying to get towards 500 subs. If you like what you see, give her a like, sub, hit the bell, check out the stuff she does. Also, just before Christmas, I'm a member of a few Facebook groups. One of them, Woodworking Plus UK. Had a little competition and I won the etape, and being as this is the first time I've been in the workshop since before Christmas, I've brought it in and I'll be checking it out a little bit later. Brian and the team over at Woodworking Plus UK, thank you very much, really is appreciated, love it. What a great looking piece of kit, I love it. I presume we're going to have to pull that out.
A few inches later.
Fucking amazing. Oh, funny. I'd share with you all the Christmas treats, but as you can see, I liked them a bit too much. Sorry, you'll have to wait till next year. Some great stickers and channels up there. Check them out, see what you think. If you like it, give them a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. Doesn't cost you anything.